So I will quickly go through how you can make use of the previews to view the UIKit views in Canvas as well. So in this example, like I have the simple view controller with a label. We are displaying it at the center of this UI view controller. So if we want to make any changes when we are developing the view from the code, we need to run the app again and again to see our changes. So we can avoid that thing if we can make use of the previews provided by the Swift UI. So let's quickly create a class that will be create a file that will be a structure of view controller representable, which can be used against any view controller you want to preview in the canvas. So let's start with a class or file view controller preview. So let's clean up a couple of the things. We need to import Swift UI as well. So let's create a structure view controller preview of type UI view controller representable. Okay, so it's gonna ask. So first thing is we need a builder, view controller builder. You can name it anything you want, but it will be a closure who will be returning me a UI view controller, and I need to initialize it with view controller builder of type escaping and escaping view closure that will be returning UI view controller, and I need to initialize the values. Self.viewControllerBuilder is equal to view controller builder. The next thing is we need to confirm a couple of the protocols as well. Make UI view controller, update UI view controller. We're not gonna be using the update view controller, but we still need to use this make UI controller. That will be self.view controller. We actually building it from here, so the error should be gone. So this is the actual reusable component we actually need to preview any view controller. So let's get back to the view controller and import Swift UI. Let's create a preview struct view controller underscore preview. You can name it anything you want. We will be using the preview provider static var previews some view. We will be using the representable preview actually created. So we will be using view controller preview. Inside that view controller, we will pass any view controller we want to see. So in this case, I want to check this view controller in the canvas. So if we go to the editor, sometimes it shows up, sometimes you need to refresh the view. So these are the changes made to the text. Some text is appearing, but if we want to see, if we update this value, new text value, so we can see it inside our canvas instead of running the app again and checking it over there. So like again, we can do the testing with the app as well, but in this is the quick way to see or map the changes you are making to the UI view controller. I hope this was helpful for you. If you need this code, I will be adding a link to the GitHub file, so you can copy paste this actually piece of the code, which is quite usable for you. Thank you.